Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion templates to build employee performance trackers in 2025. The easiest way is to grab a performance review or HR tracker template from Notion Gallery or Community. These templates usually include properties for employee name, role, goals, KPIs, review, period, and ratings, so you can get started without building a system from scratch. Once you've added the template, customize it for your own team, add fields or soft skills, attendance or project outcomes, and connect goals directly to each employee profile. You can even embed manager feedback, peer views, or progress notes inside the tracker. Use Notion different views to make performance data easy to digest. A table view works the best for detailed metrics. A board view can group employee by performance level, and a timeline view will let you see growth across all review periods. To get the most value, link the performance tracker with your goals dashboard or HR database in Notion. This way you can connect individuals' progress to team and company objectives, making the performance review more data-driven. Finally, when it's review time, you can generate clean, shareable pages from the tracker to guide discussion with employees. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.